cardio vibes. Do you want to know more about my way of cardio? Cardio is any exercise which makes your heart rate go high. Any machine, treadmill, elliptic, bicycle, any kind of dancing movement, so your heart rate will jump up and you gonna burn energy. Not fat, energy.
Cooking soul,
go move. First stereotype, it's like when I do cardio, I'm burning my fat. No girls, we burning our energy. So for lose weight, you don't need to do cardio actually, but for make metabolism faster, for burn calories, to make calorie deficit, better to do cardio. If you just add cardio in your daily routine, you already will lose a lot. I love all kind of low intense cardio which will not hurt your body, your bones.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up.
Today I already sweating. You need to do cardio for losing weight. No. For losing weight, you need to do strict diet. If you want to lose weight, you need to make calorie deficit. So you need to or add more cardio or change your diet. If you will do cardio with low carbs diet, you will lose weight. If you will do cardio with high carbs diet, calorie deficit, you will rid of water retention, but you will build some muscles on your legs because of legs work. Got the difference. There are a lot of ways to do cardio, but two things what I'm not preferring at all. If you never did it in your life, if you're not marathon sprinter or something, don't do running and don't do jumping. For make safe your knees, for not create any problem with your bones, health, joints. If you do it on a regular basis, you can continue to do it always. But if you didn't, don't start it when you're 30 plus or wherever. Don't start. I prefer to choose any kind of machine where you can do low intense, 5-6 speed if it's treadmill, just low intense walking on the heels perfectly. If you like cross training, you can do cross training. If you like dancing, you can do dancing. If you like high intense cardio in group classes with a lot of people, do it. If you like just to be by yourself at home, opening music and dance, it's also a way of cardio. Just do it. This is the best way of cardio. And about fat burners, there are a lot of brands, a lot of pills, a lot of different kinds. You come into the shop and you just losing yourself in variation of nutrition of what the seller will advise you to get to lose weight. Girls, remember, diet is 70% of luck. All these pills, all powders, all everything, it's only 10% extra helping to lose, to reduce. Use natural fat burners. Example, caffeine and L-carnitine. This is two natural fat burners which will depend from your cardio workout, from your training. It will increase temperature of your body and you will burn your fat faster. The timing of cardio. Do at least the minimum 20 minutes. All fat burner processes starts to work when you proper warm up. After 20 minutes, we'll start fat burning processes. So less than 20 minutes, this is not cardio, it's warming up. We have our problematic zone. It's inside leg and it's lower back. Usually you have like club handles. So you already checked my videos, you can know what exercise I'm using to rid of love handles. There is also my best way of doing cardio in the same way. So 5 minutes of each exercise every day will help you to reduce the fat exactly on that specific part.
I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up.
Lower back one as a cardio 5 minutes, and also in legs. Putting the smallest weight what you can handle for 5 minutes. Usually for me like 10-15 kg, maybe 20 maximum. Start and just playing with your in-leg workout. It helps you to remove fat from inside hips. Any kind of cardio will increase metabolism in specific parts and water retention's gone. Same here, same inside leg. You just making metabolism faster. Just for the cardio, you can use swings, arms, front and back. Also, it will increase metabolism. This specific part will help you to rid of this fat. I don't have it, but whatever, it will help you to rid of it faster. So in the end, my advice, if you start in cardio, make sure that you started everything together. Cardio plus diet plus proper workout. Just make it casually. You will make perfect calorie deficit. You will create your perfect shape in the time what you want. You will put plan and you will reach it. That's it. Done. So you will do it once and it will take time and you will see the final result. So this is my advice. If you start in cardio, do it. Do it. Do any kind of cardio, but do it proper. So I will add my schedule down. Based on it, you can create your own schedule and use it for some period of time. When you will get in shape, what you was dream about, then you can reduce cardio because your metabolism already faster. You're already on your normal calories intake. You don't need to go in calories deficit anymore. So you can reduce a bit or just change it for something more interesting, not just boring walking on the hills. It can be dancing with your friends outside somewhere in the club or wherever, or go for some group classes with your other friends, or swimming or travel or anything what will make you enjoy. I'm starting my cardio, so I'm gonna do some interval walking on the hills. Thank you for watching, girls. Put likes if you like this video, subscribe at my YouTube channel, and now I'm gonna see you very, very, very soon.